Is it time to buy or sell quantum computing stock? In this video, we are diving deep into quantum computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of May 2025, our system has ranked quantum computing as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.63. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 151.42% since we first identified quantum computing as a buy candidate 27 days ago. This equates to an average return of 5.61% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current trend, broken at $15.69, a level that may present a second opportunity for significant gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 130.29% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 23.34% to 70.25%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 69.83%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 36.48% to positive 156.85% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $13.48 and $54.50. Our latest daily update for quantum computing includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price on Monday, moving between $17.20 and $21.70. The Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price gained 27.22% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, rising from $16.68 to $21.22. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 26.16%, with a day low at $17.20 and a day high of $21.70. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 79.83% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 44 million more shares were traded than the day before. Overall, 65 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.38 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $27.15. and the lowest price was 35.5 cents. Currently, the price is 21.84%, or $5.93, below the 52-week high of $27.15, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Quantum computing stock, symbol QUBT, is experiencing a significant upward trend, with share prices soaring approximately 24% as of today. Over the past week, the stock has jumped a total of about 24.2%, fueled by positive sentiment in the market following favorable comments from NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang, who signaled a turning point for quantum technology. This rally is part of a broader upward movement in the quantum sector, as other companies also see gains in their stock prices. In the short term, this impressive surge can attract increased investor attention and possibly lead to further buying, driving prices even higher. Positive investor sentiment is often contagious, particularly in technology sectors like quantum computing, where breakthroughs can lead to significant market opportunities. Looking at the long-term landscape, the increasing confidence from major industry leaders like NVIDIA may suggest that quantum computing is moving towards a more commercially viable phase. If this momentum continues, it can solidify quantum computing's position in the market, leading to sustainable growth potential and possibly elevating valuations further. Conversely, any signs of overinflation or market correction could impact investor confidence. So monitoring industry trends and technological advancements will be key for stakeholders in QUBT moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 15th of April 2024, it was reported that Ascendiant assigned QUBT a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned quantum computing stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for quantum computing. The chart today presents mostly positive signals. Quantum Computing Incorporated stock exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support will be found at levels of $16.79 and $11.39. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, with the stock rising by 101.33% since then. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 165 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 28 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 34 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 18 days ago. For further signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for quantum computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $18.97 and $17.51. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Quantum Computing Inc. finds support just below today's level at $18.97. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $17.51 and $16.68. This stock may experience significant movements throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.50 between its high and low, representing a shift of 26.16%. During the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 19.56%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for quantum computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This crucial metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of September, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for quantum computing. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, suggesting that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, quantum computing encounters its first support level at $18.97. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for quantum computing from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 9th day of June 2025, Baimler Christopher executed an insider sale of 92,271 shares of common stock. On the 10th day of June 2025, Baimler Christopher executed an insider sale of 96,679 shares of common stock. On the 11th day of June 2025, Baimler Christopher executed an insider sale of 83,495 shares of common stock. On the 3rd day of June 2025, Termel Michael C. made an insider purchase of 120,740 shares of common stock. On the 3rd day of June 2025, Termel Michael C. made another insider purchase of 80,246 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 26.734. In total, insiders acquired 61,589,667 shares and disposed of 4,713,245 shares in these last 100 trades. A recommended stop loss is set at $20.47, reflecting a decrease of 3.54%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, leading to a heightened level of risk. There is currently a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom identified 17 days ago. Is quantum computing stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the stock has broken its upward trend, suggesting an even stronger rate of increase. We believe that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Quantum Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the near term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 17th of June, we expect Quantum Computing to open lower by $1.18 and begin trading at $20.04. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.